Okay, what I'll show you today is how to replace the battery in a Skoda key. So as you can see, I've got a replace key battery message, which means that the battery in my key is getting... In order to replace the battery in a Skoda key, what we need is the key, a CR2025 battery, also known as a DL2025, and a small screwdriver. How to get the battery out? To get the battery out, basically what we need to do is just open up the key itself. Now inside there, I'm not quite sure if you're going to be able to see right in there. Basically you just need to wedge your flathead screwdriver right about there and basically just twist it. Once you twist it, so this is, you need to insert your screwdriver about here. As you can see, there's a little ledge there. So just insert it there, twist it, and that should take that part out. Once again, there's a little opening there for a screwdriver to go in. Pop the old battery out, get the new battery out. As it says here, keep these batteries away from kids. Always dispose of the old ones in an appropriate manner. Kids tend to swallow these batteries, and they can be harmful. Alright, so now all we just got to do is just slot the battery in there, like so. The positive, so the flat surface needs to be up, and the negative, which is this side, needs to be down. Now get the cover in, get the cover back. Once again, just slot the front in and then just push it together. That's it. Your battery has been replaced. Now we can head out to the car and check if our replace battery warning has disappeared. And don't forget about the disposal of the old battery.